Now, with South Korea experiencing a substantial drop in its daily COVID-19 figures, local health authorities are lifting more and more antivirus measures. From next week, people will be permitted to eat at sports stadiums, movie theatres and on public transport. They'll also make a decision soon on potentially lifting the outdoor mask mandate. Shin Ye-eun reports.
A return to normal. This is what we've all been waiting for in Korea, and we're starting to get there with lower COVID-19 daily tallies. On Friday, the country saw the number of new infections stay below 100,000 for the second straight day. The exact figure stood at 81,058. As the country's daily average COVID-19 tally is now 40% lower than that of last week, authorities are continuing to lift antivirus measures. From this week, social gathering caps and business operation hour curfews were scrapped. And from next week, authorities are set to reclassify COVID-19, which is currently at the highest risk level of 1, as level 2. Accordingly, they're going to allow people to eat or drink at movie theaters, indoor sports stadiums, and on public transport from Monday. They're also to decide whether to lift outdoor mask-wearing mandates. Also, with May around the corner, which is also known as a family month here in Korea due to Children's Day and Parents' Day falling that month, the country is set to allow in-person visits to nursing homes. Because many residents of nursing homes are deemed at high risk from the virus, all in-person visits have been prohibited. Now that the virus has been relatively tamed, authorities have decided to allow visits from April 30th to May 22nd. But the Prime Minister on Friday clarified that lifting measures does not mean that the threat of the virus has been lifted as well. That's why he asked local governments and individuals to remain alert.
It's up to individuals and business owners to prevent the spread of the virus once we lift most regulations. When eating indoors, refrain from talking and moving around. Wear your masks indoors at all times and frequently ventilate the area.
He also asked local governments to prescribe more of the antiviral pills as authorities consider expanding eligibility for the treatment. The Prime Minister also asked seniors to get their second booster shots. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.